Miles from Body Beacon Australia here. Thanks for joining us for another video. Today we're going to show you why the Body Beacon is an excellent device for traffic controllers. The Body Beacon is designed to create light in the darkness. One thing with traffic control that we find, especially in Australia, we have our stop signs and our slow sign. These, according to Australian standard, have to have a reflective material in it. But for this material to work, you need light to hit this so it can reflect back. It doesn't always work in theory. So let's place a body beacon on here and show you how much better it actually is. So we have our red body beacon here. Okay. Also got the amber one. What we're going to do with the body beacon, we've got the clip. We're going to detach the rubberized wing from each of the beacons. We're going to feed them through both sections of the clip. Feed it through, we're going to wrap it around and we're going to snap it in. Alright, so we now have two beacons attached to one clip here. We will put this on top of the sign, making sure that the amber is facing on the slow side and then the red is facing on the stop side. So we've attached our beacons to the sign, one on the slow side, one on the stop side. So you have your driver stopped. Okay, the red light's going to be facing them the entire time, very much like a traffic control light. Everybody knows red means stop. You want them to go straight away, spin around to the slow, there's your amber. Perfect. So the body beacon has an 8-hour charge. Charges via a micro USB cable and only takes 4 hours to charge. Doesn't hurt to have a body beacon as a spare either. So always keep some in your kit bag. Keep your USB recharger in your kit bag as well. You can charge it through your car, charge it on a laptop, computer, whatever USB ports you have nearby, you can always keep it continually charged. There you have it. Body beacon for traffic controllers.